So let's take an initial example of just how a basic transaction works. Every merchant you see all over the world has one of these devices, a point of sale machine. And what's happening today is everyone's got one of these too. They've got a mobile phone from Android or from Apple or from anybody. And what I'm going to demonstrate now is how I can make this device, your user phone, talk to this device with each other to do a transaction, or for that matter, any interaction with each other, just using sound waves, nothing else. I don't need NFC, I don't need Bluetooth, I don't need EMV, I don't need PCI, I don't need to worry about any of that. So what I'll do here is I'll show you how it works. Your bank or your loyalty company or customer can have any app of their own, and an existing app. They don't need to download another fresh one. I enter my PIN, and what's happened is, imagine I have put just an SDK layer on top of this phone device, and it doesn't matter if it's Apple or Android, I've just put an SDK layer on here. I take this device and I do a sale transaction. So what happens is, as I do, you can see a sale transaction for an amount. I'll put in any amount, 4, 5, 2, 1. So what I'll do now is I'll make it listen. And you see the device picked up all that information. It picked up the information about the amount. It's actually also picked up the information about the merchant ID, so it knows where this device belongs. It's got a unique transaction amount and a timestamp. I confirm the transaction, the consumer gets his information, and the merchant gets his receipt too. And that's just one way of interacting. We can